Welcome to the AZ channel. This is 65th video and let's start for today. Pay attention to the other cars in traffic. Don't overtake using the stop lane. This video shows you why. Respect traffic light.
What the fuck, bro?
Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars.
Oh, the fucking hell, are you serious?
Adjust your speed wherever you are. Always look in the review mirror multiple times. Here the traffic light isn't working and the policeman tries to regulate the traffic. No fucking way.
No fucking way!
Adjust your speed. Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Don't be a scumbag on the road.
When human nature feels the sound, we tear it down and justify.
Always look in the review mirror multiple times. You must always know your destination. Follow the signs.
Jesus Christ, where the fuck are you going? Come on! Jesus Christ, where the fuck you learn to drive?